Microsoft Outlook 2013 to Microsoft's Office 365/Exchange Online platform. Before proceeding with this demonstration, you will want to have your Office 365 login credentials handy, that being your Office 365 email address and password. If your Office 365 account was set up by AmeriHub, we would have sent this information to you directly. However, if this was set up by an in-house IT person or by a third-party support provider, you will need to require that that provider send you those credentials in advance of following through with this tutorial. So, if you have that information, go ahead and proceed. If you don't have that information, I highly suggest that you pause and then return to this video when you have your email address and password for Exchange Online. Okay, let's proceed. So first and foremost, you're going to launch Microsoft Outlook. For this video, we're using Outlook 2013, but the same instructions apply with a little bit of a difference if you're using Outlook 2007, Outlook 2010. The steps are basically the same, however the graphics might differ a little bit. So let's go ahead and launch Outlook. First and foremost, it will ask you to create a new profile. So in this case, we're going to call this Office 365. And depending on if you're a member of an Active Directory domain, the system will try to guess what email address you're using. If it guesses correctly, you can proceed. If it does not, then you can go ahead and manually add that. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and change this to test user, and then I'm going to use the email address for this account. And then enter your password. And click Next. The system will search for your settings. In most instances, if you have correctly set up your Office 365 account, it will prompt you to log in here. And you may get this message, restart Outlook for the changes to take effect. As we can see here, we do have a green check mark next to searching and logging into the mail server. So login was successful. You simply click Finish. And we wait. So at this phase, Outlook is making its initial connections to Office 365. It's pulling down information about the account. And as we can see here, we now have an open and functional Outlook window. Because this is a new account, there's no content here. However, if you are connecting to an existing Office 365 mailbox, you'll see over time your email content and calendar items and so forth get automatically pulled down. You don't really have to take any additional action here. That will happen in due course. If you have a little bit of information contained within the account, you may have it all within a minute or two. If not, then what will happen is it'll gradually download over time. We have seen some accounts that will take the better part of an hour or a couple of hours to fully download. However, the account is fully usable from the moment that you arrive within the mailbox. So you could send email messages, schedule appointments, and things like that immediately once you're in here. And if you look here toward the bottom right, you see Online with Microsoft Exchange. This indicates that you have a good Exchange connection and the system is ready to use. So this has been a demonstration of connecting Microsoft Outlook, in this case 2013, to Microsoft's Office 365/Exchange Online email platform. If you have any other questions, you can feel free to reach out to us at amerihub.com. We are a Tier 1 Microsoft Cloud partner. We have migrated organizations, both large and small, to the Microsoft Cloud. And if your organization is thinking about making this move, or if you've made this move but you have a need for ongoing management and support of the platform, feel free to reach out to us via the contact page at amerihub.com. Thank you, and have a great day.